not uncommon to kind of struggle with the top pointed part. So here are some jeans, and here's my panel, and it's ready to sew on here. So one thing I've learned is just put the point of the panel a little, see how I have a line there? So I was measuring both sides to make sure that they're even, but just place the point a little higher up. And again, the material is face to face, and then I'll pin just the top, and I'll sew just the top part, and then kind of check the point, and then I'll continue sewing along. So let me show you. And the point is towards me, and the point is a little bit above where I cut. I just basically go to the point, sew it back and forth, cut it. Now flip the jeans around. Remember, the panel is face to face. Now the point is going to be facing outwards, and I'm going to sew the other side of the point, not really worrying about it. Pretty much go to about there, and then check and see how we're doing. It's kind of a lot of threading and rethreading. I don't think I have everything dialed in perfectly, but for me, sewing is a lot of problem solving and figuring stuff out. It's also a lot of cutting of threads, and then we know if the points aren't perfect, we add a patch to the top. But this one's not bad either, so kind of looks like that. And then we will continue and sew down each leg. Then we'll turn it right side out and see how we're doing.